Hi, I am Adarsh Thum from ET Government. Today I am in Lucknow at the Uttar Pradesh Healthcare Conclave, and I have a special guest with me today. She is Miss Rachna Singh, who is the co-founder at Superceuticals. Hi, Rachna ji. Firstly, welcome to Uttar Pradesh Healthcare Conclave.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, Rachna ji, how has been your experience till now with the conference?
That's great. I mean, all the big shots are here today, and especially from the medical field. And I'm really happy to interact with these people. It's very rare you get chance to meet all of them at one single place.
Right, ma'am. I would like to understand how is Superceutical contributing towards the transformation of healthcare.
All right. So Superceuticals is it was born with an idea to actually give access to healthcare, which is a basic need of any human being. We wanted to extend it to the rural area, to the remotest part of the India, where no other services are available. So with that kind of a thought, we initiated this. I've been working in rural area almost now 14 years now. So that is how it had come up. So we are trying to do that only. We developed a kind of a solution for rural area where we are connecting patient with the doctor as well as we are providing diagnostic. It's a kind of a complete solution. The patient does not have to go to urban, because if we talk about out of pocket expenses, it's huge, and it is not affordable for a common villager or a person from a semi urban area to spend so much.
So, if you have to, highlight a few key takeaways from the conference yet, so what would be those?
So I would say, as we talk, we are from private sector, and it's difficult to find all the government people who are decision maker, who are the policy makers at one place. So here we got a chance to meet them and discuss what problems we are facing, because health is sector is one thing where only government cannot do everything. Of course, they are doing great, and even private cannot do alone. So it has to be a kind of a mixture, and normally we don't find such kind of opportunity otherwise, which we have found it here.
Thank you, Rachna. Thank you for spending time and sharing your thoughts with us.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.